So having done that, we then go ahead to set the value of our order. So of course I'm going to delete this now. I'm going to delete this, but just let me. So from there I will now create I want to just test something so that you see what we are doing so far before we go too far. So click on create object, put it here. I will need to make it smaller now, just try and manage to see. So now that we have created the object, I will then come to settings and just put 1 feet. I'll just close this and I'll say this is the name of the product. And to get the name of the product, how do we get it? We have actually demonstrated that already. So I'll get the property. You can see this is a very big box. I think since we have seen this side already, let me just zoom into this side. So we will then come to objects, not object now, the variables and product row objects. And the property that we need, I want it to be nice, is this. So we then go with the property. The name now is name, but let me call it product name so that I will know that is the product name I'm saving. Come here, case. So now that we've been able to do that, so meaning that if this was now successfully saved in the database, what do I want to do? I want to actually then show another alert that the order has been successfully placed. Of course, we are still going to be adding some more details here, but I just want you to see that we are actually able to communicate with our database before we build on that foundation. So I will then come to this point. Notice your blocks, what we have put it. So I'll create the order first. The alert. I'll rename this to order placed. You can create as many as possible in terms of the number of alerts you can create. Orders create successfully. So I'll say the title is order placed successfully, and I'll say order has been successfully placed. I'll say okay. I will not put anything in the console. Done. Alright, so now that we have been able to do that, I'll just come to my alerts, orders placed successfully. I'll then call it to show, but notice where I'm putting it. Please watch. Here is overlapping, please clean up. Watch after you have set it to the database, then say that the order has been successfully placed. Of course, you'll not do anything when it show, just show it so that they can say okay. When they click on okay, it close. So now that we've been able to do that, I will then go ahead to see that in action, try to buy a product, and let us see if it's actually committing or saving to the database. Now let's say we want to buy this product. It's asking me, are you sure you want to buy this product? No, not now. Yes, I want to buy. Can you see? Order placed successfully. I'll say okay. Let's close the alert. So now, if I come back to my database, you can see. Okay, I think it takes some time to show. It actually should be file refreshed because it's a real-time database. As it's saving, you're seeing it. So you can see that you can see the array of stuff they have created from users, the user ID. From the user ID, we now created the ID orders. Now inside the ID orders, we now have the order ID. You can see these seconds that we created. This is the number second since 1970 that were created as the unique user ID, the unique ID for the others. So if you open this, you realize the fact that the product name that you are saving, which is this, back to editing, product details, this product name that you are saving, you can see product name, this is actually it, product name, and this is the name of the product. You can see. So at least you can see that we are actually able to save our products to the database so I'm going to go ahead to say delete this. I want to delete this. Yeah, so that we can set our database, our data correctly. So now that we are sure that okay, database is saving to the database correctly, we then go ahead to set the other fields. And I'm going to be zooming to this part. Notice where this part is, where you are setting your cloud variable, and the other part, this is the left hand side of what you are setting, and the value of what that is taking, which is the create object. And that's why I just want us to see it better as I'm zooming in to this part. So now that we have been able to set our product name, let us set the price of the product. Let's put more. Let's put more. Let's put more. You can always come and change it. If you don't want it again, you can remove it. You see, if you don't want it again, you can review one, put it. So you can just put as many as possible. You can put like 4 or 5. If you need more, you come and put more. But let me just count everything I'm going to be needing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to be needing 11. There should be 11 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Yes, we have it. We have it. So I'm going to be duplicating this. I put it here. I call this my product price. I call it product price. And the property I'm getting from this product row, you can see I'm still working with my Excel sheet. So that is the price. The same thing for this, the product image URL. Copy the key, product image URL, come pick the exact key, and put it here. Just do that. It's very simple. I believe we have explained this earlier. So the next thing we actually need now so we just use this as the product description. With a copy left product description. I just want us to save all the product details in the database. It's not a crime doing that. I'm going to duplicate this. No, I don't want to add the comments. I want to duplicate it rather. So from there, I want this to be the category. product category. This is the value, this is the key that it will use to set that value in the Firebase database. Product category. So now that we have that, we can then set the flag. Don't forget, from our demonstration we have a flag of when it was placed by the user, manufacturer received the order, and the like. So we are going to be setting the flag for that. Of course, the only one that will be true initially is the order placed. The other one initially will be false. So at the point when we are updating by ourselves, it is going to be changing from false to true till we get to the final stage. So it's just going to be a flag. Just going to be a flag. So the flag now, to make life easy for ourselves, I will just go with order confirmed. Order confirmed, just like what we demonstrated the other time. Manufacturer received order. No, I don't want to be a space. Manufacturer received order, and product shipped, then out for delivery, and delivered. I think we have 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. So now that we have been able to cover all our feeds, we can then go ahead to remove the ones we are not using. All you just want to do is just drag it here and it will be deleted. So we can then zoom out so that I can see it, that we have actually built something big. Alright, so I forgot to set the initial value of this. So the initial value of order confirmed will be true because the user at that point has placed the order logic. Now set that to true for the order confirmed. Logic for this will be false. So I'll duplicate this. Order confirm false, duplicate this. Order confirm false, duplicate this. Or sorry, I keep saying order confirmed, delivered. Yes. So now that we have that, we can then see it on a big screen or on a big scale. And now you can see that we have the building block of our order. So we place the order, now you see that all the feeds will be populated, and if this is actually working, we can see that we have come to the end of the product details page. Otherwise we will still need to go ahead and work on it. So now let us go ahead and preview application. Of course this will be none at first, because user cannot just come to the order details page without clicking on a particular order. So if I say buy, that means I want to buy this. These images are just random images. What has been successfully okay. So if I go back to my product details, so list of orders, you can see that I have my order saved in the database. But now it's going to be full-fledged. The delivered age is delivered should be small letter. Manufacturer receive order confirm, out for delivery, product category, product description, product URL. Alright, so since we